What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you love your car, but you're always thinking about that next upgrade. With all the new tech and trends coming out, it's getting harder to decide what's actually worth your money. So today, we're going to dive deep into the best car upgrades for 2026. We'll separate the hype from the must-haves, so you can make your ride truly special without breaking the bank. Let's get started. First up, let's talk performance. For years, the go-to upgrades have been things like cold air intakes, custom exhausts, and engine tunes. And for good reason. They offer a noticeable boost in power and that satisfying engine roar. In 2026, these are still fantastic options, especially for gas-powered cars. An ECU tune, for example, is one of the most effective upgrades for the cost. It remaps your car's computer to optimize fuel and air mixture, giving you more horsepower and torque. A high-quality exhaust system not only sounds amazing, but can also improve performance by helping the engine breathe better. But what about the growing world of electric vehicles? Well, performance upgrades for EV are a completely different game. You're not tuning an engine, you're working with batteries and electric motors. One of the most impactful upgrades is a better battery management system or even a software update that unlocks more power. Some companies are offering aftermarket battery packs with higher capacity for more range and better performance. We're also seeing more advanced cooling systems for EV, which is crucial for maintaining peak performance during spirited driving or on the track. For both gas and electric cars, upgrading your suspension is a game changer. Coilovers or a good set of adjustable dampers can completely transform how your car handles, making it feel more planted and responsive in corners. Now, let's shift gears and talk about aesthetics. How your car looks is just as important as how it drives. One of the biggest trends that will continue to dominate in 2026 is vinyl wraps. The technology has gotten so good. You can get almost any color or finish imaginable, from matte black to iridescent chrome. It's a great way to completely change your car's appearance while also protecting the original paint. And when you get tired of it, you can just peel it off. Custom wheels are another classic upgrade that never goes out of style. Lightweight forged wheels not only look incredible, but can also reduce unsprung weight, which improves handling and acceleration. When choosing wheels, make sure you get the right size and offset for your car to avoid any issues with rubbing or fitment. For a more subtle but effective change, consider aerodynamic parts. We're not just talking about massive wings here. A simple front lip, side skirts, or a rear diffuser can make your car look more aggressive and can even provide some real aerodynamic benefits at higher speeds. Carbon fiber is still the king when it comes to high-end aero parts, but many companies now offer more affordable options in fiberglass or polyurethane. And don't forget lighting. Upgrading to custom LED headlights or taillights can modernize the look of any car. Many of these kits are now plug-and-play, making them a relatively easy DIY project that makes a huge difference, especially at night. Okay, let's move inside the car, because the interior is where you spend all your time. Comfort and tech upgrades are huge right now. One of the best investments you can make is a new infotainment system. If your car has an older, clunky screen, upgrading to a modern head unit with a large, responsive touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto is a night and day difference. It makes navigation, music, and communication so much easier and safer. A quality sound system is another must-have for any music lover. You don't have to spend a fortune either. Simply replacing the factory speakers and adding a small amplifier can dramatically improve sound quality. For a bigger impact, a well-integrated subwoofer will add that deep bass you've been missing. Comfort is also key. If you have cloth seats, consider upgrading to custom leather or Alcantara upholstery. It elevates the entire feel of the cabin, making it feel much more premium. And for those who do a lot of driving, a new steering wheel can make a huge difference. A thicker, ergonomically shaped wheel wrapped in leather or Alcantara just feels better in your hands. We're also seeing a lot more ambient lighting kits. These systems let you choose any color to light up the footwells, door panels, and dashboard, creating a cool, futuristic vibe inside your car, especially at night. It's a relatively inexpensive mod that adds a huge wow factor. So, with all these options, what's truly worth it? Here's my breakdown for 2026. For performance, if you have a gas car, a professional ECU tune still offers the best bang for your buck. For EV owners, look into software unlocks or battery cooling solutions. For aesthetics, a vinyl wrap is my top pick. It offers total transformation and protection. And for the interior, a modern head unit with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto is a non-negotiable upgrade. It completely changes the driving experience. Now, let's talk about some upgrades that might not be worth the money. Extreme body kits can often look tacky and can actually hurt your car's resale value. Be careful with those. Also, overly large wheels can ruin your ride quality and are more susceptible to damage from potholes. Sometimes going up just 1 or 2 inches is the sweet spot. And be wary of cheap, no-name performance chips that you find online for $50. They rarely work as advertised and, in some cases, can even damage your engine. It's always better to save up and buy from reputable brands. Always do your research, read reviews, and maybe even join a forum for your specific car model to see what other owners are doing. The best upgrade is one that makes you happy every time you get behind the wheel. Whether that's a louder exhaust, a sleek carbon fiber spoiler, or a crystal clear sound system, it's all about personalizing your car to fit your style. The trends for 2026 are all about smart, effective modifications that blend performance, technology, and personal expression. So, plan your build, save up, and choose the upgrades that will make you fall in love with your car all over again. That's all for today's deep dive into car upgrades for 2026. I hope this gave you some great ideas for your own project car. What are you planning to upgrade on your ride? Let me know down in the comments. I read every single one. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.